Hello all! Welcome to Gonomics. Today, we will be showing how to install the CarGo 300 series. The CarGo is designed to be used in the back seat of a four-door vehicle. For safety purposes, your mobile office cannot be used when the vehicle is in motion. Your car should be parked safely and the transmission should not be in gear when using the mobile office.
Please follow general practices for safety and always follow all manufacturers' safety guidelines. Your product may vary slightly from the examples shown here.
You will need a rubber mallet, a 9 16 inch 14mm socket wrench, and an adjustable crescent wrench or pliers. 2 Allen wrenches are provided in your parts package.
The large Allen wrench will not be needed during installation, but keep it for future use in the event you need to remove the desktop. Your acorn nuts will also not be needed during the installation, but are provided for your convenience.
First, using the 4 long bolts and 4 lock nuts with tooth washers, attach the legs. Then, tighten the bolts using the supplied small Allen wrench.
Start with the legs installed at the lowest setting and adjust later if needed.
Position the laptop arm mount on the desktop with the flat side pointing to the back of the desk. Slide the hex bolt and washer through the pre-drilled hole on the underside of the desktop and thread it into the mount. Using the 9 16 inch 14mm socket wrench, firmly tighten the bolt. Insert your pencil cup and use a rubber mallet to tap it into the hole on the desktop. Your cup may differ slightly from the example shown. Slide the short portion of the laptop arm onto the laptop tray post. Place the retainer ring on the post and tighten it using the small Allen wrench provided, and then place the rubber end cap over the retainer ring. Finally, attach the short portion of the laptop arm to the long portion of the laptop arm. Set aside. Before installing the desk into the vehicle, you will need to move the front passenger seat as far forward as possible. Then, fasten one side of the latch safety belt onto the inside lower anchor bar of the rear passenger seat until it clicks. Pick up the desk with the legs facing away from your body and put the desk through the passenger side rear door. Place the desk on the rear seat so that the legs sit on the floor behind the passenger seat.
If the desk doesn't lay flat in the vehicle, first try adjusting the leveling glides on the bottom of the legs. If the desk is still not flat, unscrew the legs and move them to a different hole before reattaching the bolts. The rear of the desk may be adjusted similarly to achieve a level work surface.
Secure the desk by threading the latch belt through the brackets on the bottom of the desk. Fasten the second latch to the anchor bar closest to the passenger door. Tighten the belt. Insert the laptop arm with the attached tray into the laptop mount and tighten the set screw with the small Allen wrench provided. Place the double socket arm on the ball mounted on the desktop. Then, put the underside of the laptop tray into the double ball socket arm. Tighten the knob on the double socket arm to secure the laptop tray. Finally, move the passenger seat back until it touches the desktop, further securing the desk.
Your package also includes thumb locks to secure your printer. Please see our thumb locks video for installation instructions.
Thank you for choosing the CarGo 300 as your mobile office solution. Go, Gonomics!